live in a house. And this is Max. He's 4 years old. He's lived with me for 3.5 years. When I got him from my friend that found him in the mountains, and she had 3 dogs and she could not afford to take care of 4, so she asked me if I wanted a dog. And at that time that I lost my Rottweiler from a bone cancer, so I of course said yes, I would love to take a dog home. So I got Max. Then I realized that he has never lived with people before, did not know what petting was, did not know how to live in a house. So after 3 months, about 4 months, he was fully house trained, and now he is a wonderful dog. He loves people. Yeah, he loves people. And he's spoiled rotten. This is Max. He has about 20 or 30 dog toys. And he's very good. He's only eaten 1 couch and 1 chair. Now he's gonna speak. Yeah, he knows he's being watched with the camera. He knows it's something different. Well, this is Max again. Max is gonna sign off.